daily bread for even better pass that one where you go give me month's end. I could prefer that one.
Daily bread go better pass the.
It go better like that too.
Jesus!
Thank you, Oga.
I'm not paying you again.
Thank you, Oga.
I'm not paying you. I'm not owing you.
Ah!
I beg on, now hungry I dey so.
Okay, Joseph.
My Oga.
How are you?
I did, Oga.
I want you to help me and clear those stuff there, those garden. You know the way you do it normally.
Na simple work.
Just help me and clear it. I will see you when you are done. I'll see you.
I believe you now.
No, just do it.
I believe you, my
Good
Oga.
boy. Joseph, my good servant. Okay, I will see you.
The way you move your hips and your shoulders, it makes me wonder if you ever do. I like your sex appeal and the way you turn me on. I want to be your friend and your lover too. Would you be my girl? Would you be my girl? If I don't have money, if I don't have money, would you be my girl?
I don't finish you. Hey. Oga. Oga. I don't finish you. Yes,
Joseph.
yes, sir.
You are done. Okay. I hope you did everything very well.
You know my work now. As special Joseph, I clean everything well.
You know what? You have to go now. Month end, I will pay you, okay? No, it's not up to the end of the month.
Oga, but you know, it's not my daily bread with this way they try find like this.
Joseph, I know it's your daily bread. Just go. Month end, I will pay you. I can't pay you now. I will pay you. I will even add money. Your money is 105,000.
Yes.
I will pay you 130,000. Okay? Month end, I will give you 130,000. Just go. You hear me?
But Oga, no be like. But even now this one now.
Joseph, go.
Oga, if I just this daily bread for even better pass that one where you go give me month's end, I could prefer that one.
Daily bread go better pass the.
It go better like that too.
Jesus!
Thank you, Oga.
I'm not paying you again.
Thank you, Oga.
I'm not paying you. I'm not owing you.
Ah! You don't know what you don't do for me.
Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. Oh, Jim. I will not pay you
God have
again.
mercy
It's better like that, sir.
Oh, thank God.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
Joseph.
Thank you, sir.
Such a boy.
Oh, yeah.
Indeed, half bread is better than none.
Have bread.
Joseph. This boy will not kill me.